Welcome, ma'am. Ayaw niyo mo po? Tatayo lang tayo. Ayaw niyo mo po? Hindi nakikita si ma'am. Ayaw niyo mo po?
Parang dapat doon kay Mara, baliktad.
Mabaligtad din tayo.
All of my life is saved. There's something has been missing. I didn't know what to do. Days will pass me by. It's just lonely as the others. Until I met you. You opened the door and let the sun shine in. Our love will never be the same again. Oh, now that I have you, everything just seems alright. Now that I have you, I'm alive. You are the song that I'll be singing my whole life through. I'm living in a brighter world now that I have you. Looking ahead, I see the two of us together. I'll never let you go. You're so dear to me, and it isn't any wonder why I love you so. You opened the door and let the sun shine in. Our love will never be the same again. Oh, now that I have you, everything just seems alright. Now that I have you, I'm alive. You are the song that I'll be singing my whole life through. I'm living in a brighter world now that I have you. I feel this love is real. I see it in your eyes. You take my hand and I understand you are mine. You are mine. Now that I have you, everything just seems alright. Now that I have you, I'm alive. You are the song that I'll be singing my whole life through. I'm living in a brighter world now that I have you. Now that I have you, everything just seems alright. I'm living in a brighter world now that I have you.
Ate rin pa po. Sasayaw na yan. Apa, ma'am?
kanyang pipiliin ay yung sandali ng malinaw. Then, verse 8, Carmen Ino is barren. This Lola would want Carmelita to be her husband because siya ay unless two children. One is Rosalita, Ana Fernanda Vidal, who is to be a blind child, and the other is Mario Vidal, who is to be a fourth child of Silva and since he's playing basketball that was made of his mom at home. Ma'am Julie, or Ma'am Dalet, this is what we call her here in school. Yes, she is now a teacher. Only a teacher, but a humble friend as well. A friend that will guide us towards the straight path of life. Her favorite color would be red. She loves singing her favorite song, All My Life. Her hidden talent would be dancing while listening to music.
Tumigil ka ba?
Would make her family feel relaxed and comfortable. She also knows how to bake cookies and chocolate cake. She likes to eat vegetables and fruits. She doesn't eat chicken because she is lazy to play with it. This is the story of Ma'am Julie's phobia of all There was once an instance when she was inside a jeepney with her daughter. Then, one man came in with a skunk and looked like he is from a cockfight. Unfortunately, the man seated beside Mom and that made her yell. And that is the start of her chicken phobia. And why teaching? Because it's her passion. Passion to bring the students to their best.
Hindi ako nag-debut.
Walang ka?
Nag-debut.
Hey, ma'am. Right.
43 roses.
Ilan ba yan?
44 roses.
Dapat yung boys ganyan. Tapos yung
Oh, ma. Oo, dapat gano'n. Patarap ka naman dito.